Hi guys, so we have another log problem before us. Basically it is to prove that this entire left hand side is equal to 0. Alright, so this is what we have to prove. Now there are two ways of doing it. One, a very elaborate method. The other one is in a shortcut. Okay, so in competitive examination where there is time constraint, you can stick to the shortcut ones. I'm going to show you both of them. So without wasting time, let's get started. Okay, so first the longer process. Okay, so let me just bring this over here so that we can begin. All right. Since you know that this is log m upon n, so we write, okay, log m minus log n, okay. The same we do to the other two as well. So let's get started. So first of all, from here we derive is that log a square minus log bc plus log b square, okay, minus log ca. All right, then with this log c square minus log ab. All right guys, now some more simplification. Since you know that, okay, listen to me very carefully. Since you know that whenever there is log m to the power n, n goes to sit before, okay, log. All right. Now this will become clear if I write for this. See, for this we have 2 log a. This one, the way it is, log bc. For this, once again, 2 log b. This one, log ca here plus 2 log c, and this one the way it is, log ab. Got it? Further simplification, because we haven't completed yet. Now we know that log mn is equal to log m plus log n, isn't it? So we can write for this log b plus log c. Got it? Now let me just show you. So 2 log, okay, this doesn't require any modification, but this can be done. So let me put this in bracket because negative is for entire b as well as c. Log, okay, b plus log c. This one is to be copied the way it is. This one once again in bracket, log c plus log a. For this, 2 log c. We didn't change anything. For this, once again, in bracket, log a plus log b. Alright guys, so if I'm going to write the identities, this may become a bit congested. So try and listen to what I had said here, that log m over n is equal to log m minus log n. Here for multiplication we have log mn is equal to log m plus log n, which we have tried to show here. Now let's simplify this by opening the bracket. So we have 2 log A minus log B minus plus minus log C plus 2 log B minus log C minus log A, this one, plus 2 log C minus log A minus plus minus log B. Alright guys, now let us try and find out. We have, for example, 2 log A. This is positive, but here we have a minus log A and a minus log here. So let's get cancelled. Okay, then we proceed on with 2 log B. It shows here 2 log B, and we have minus log B here and minus log B here. So let's get cancelled this one. Then we have 2 log C, so minus, so this gets cancelled, and as a result we are left with nothing. Okay, a 0. So this was the long process, okay, which you can do it if the teacher asks you to do that way. Next I'm going to show you, okay, how to do the shorter way. Alright guys, let me bring down the question first. As you can see, I have brought down the question. So if, okay, we know that, okay, what do we know? That since log, okay, x, y, z can be written as log x plus log y plus log z, right? So in this manner, okay, we can try to arrange this one. Okay, this is my x, this is my y, this is my z. Okay, so this entire thing is equal to this, correct? And vice versa, which means what? Log, okay, x, y, z, a square upon b square multiplied by b square upon ca multiplied by c square upon ab. Alright, now let's cancel the numerator with the denominator. We have a square here, a here, a here. So this gets cancelled with this a. C square, 2 c's here, and b square, 1b here, 1b here. As a result, we are left with what? Tell me what? This is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So we are left with log 1. And as you already know that since log 1 is equal to 0, so the answer for this entire thing is 0. So thus proved. Okay, so we have been able to prove. So this was the longer method and this was the shorter method. So I hope you have, okay, understood both the treatment of the similar sum and will be using it wisely as and when required, okay, in that manner. So okay guys, so that is all, okay, for this question. See you in the next video. So if you liked it, so keep your notification on so that you can get to know when I upload the next video, okay, similar to this or maybe some more interesting, important for exam. Okay, thank you so much guys. Have a great time ahead. Bye bye.